Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this a beautiful cake which has kind of like an ombre effect. If you guys want to see how I made this, well, keep on watching. Also, if you haven't done it yet, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. That's enough talking, and let's get to it.
This beautiful cake topper comes from my Etsy shop, so the link will be in my description box down below, so you can go ahead and check out all the other beautiful cake toppers that I have.
So basically what I did is crumb coat and then second coat of buttercream, made sure everything is nice and crisp. And by the way, the recipe that I use, it's in my description box down below. And again, it will bring you to my blog, and there's other recipes out there that you can go ahead and check that out. So this particular cake, you can do it with Swiss meringue buttercream. You can also do it with whipped cream. So yeah. And then basically what you do is that you just create your color, your main color. In this particular case, I used, it was purple, almost violet. and lilac. So you just do your first color. What I do is I always mix my buttercream and with the darkest color first. And then what I do is that I'll lighten it up by adding a little bit of white buttercream so it lights up. So if you want to create that texture, one color on top of the other and not just like blend it, so what you need to do is you need to start with whatever color that you want, which is dark or light, doesn't matter. And then you're gonna place it with your spatula wherever you want it on your cake. And then once you're satisfied with that, you're gonna pop your cake in the freezer for about 5 minutes. And then once your 5 minutes is up, then you're gonna place your second color, your second shade of buttercream, and so forth. So you're gonna have like that nice like color one on top of the other. And if you want it to be blended out more, what you do is you're just gonna scrape it with your scraper. So like that, it looks more like it's a one color. So for the flowers, to just make sure to protect your cake and make it food safe. So you can either place buttercream and then put your flowers on top of the buttercream, or you can actually hide the stem of the flower with floral tape. You can also use a straw and then place your stem inside the straw, so like that it will protect your cake because the straw will be inside your cake and then the stem inside the straw. So yeah, so just make sure whatever technique you're using to protect your cake and make it food safe. Never, never, never take a direct flower and place it directly into your cake, because I say it in all my videos. All the florists, what they do to preserve the flowers, they put chemicals inside the water, and that chemical is obviously inside the stem. So if you take that flower and put it directly, insert it directly to your cake, you're gonna contaminate the cake. So, and you don't want that. So you really wanna protect your cake. So you either cut the stem, place buttercream. Also, sometimes what I do is that I cut the stem and then I put a toothpick where the stem is. So basically my toothpick will become my stem, and then I can go ahead and place it wherever I want on my cake. But whatever technique you're using, just be careful and make sure that it's food safe. And then I finished the look with a beautiful cake topper. By the way, those cake toppers are on my Etsy shop, so you can go ahead and check that out also, and the link will be in my description box down below. So if you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.